When it comes to roof repair in Clinton Township, choosing the right roofing material is one of the most important decisions homeowners can make. The area's variable Michigan climate, with its mix of heavy snow, rain, and hot summers, demands roofing that can withstand diverse conditions while maintaining both durability and aesthetic appeal. Whether you're dealing with a small repair or a complete roof overhaul, investing in the right material ensures long-term protection and value for your home. Asphalt shingles. Affordable and reliable asphalt shingles remain the most popular roofing material across Michigan, and for good reason. They are cost-effective, easy to install, and come in a wide range of colors and styles that fit nearly any architectural design. Modern asphalt shingles, particularly architectural or laminated types, can last up to 30 years with proper maintenance. In Clinton Township, asphalt shingles perform well in both freezing winters and humid summers. Their protective granules reflect UV rays, reducing heat absorption during summer months, while their layered structure helps resist wind damage during storms. Regular inspections and minor repairs can easily extend the lifespan of an asphalt shingle roof, making it a smart choice for homeowners seeking both durability and affordability. Metal roofing. Strength and energy efficiency metal roofs are quickly becoming a favorite among homeowners in Clinton Township looking for a long-term investment. Made from steel, aluminum, or copper, these roofs can last between 40 to 70 years. Their reflective surface helps reduce cooling costs in the summer, while their interlocking panels provide superior protection against snow and ice buildup during the winter. Another major benefit of metal roofing is its resistance to fire, rot, and insect damage. With proper installation and underlayment, metal roofs can handle Michigan's heavy snow loads without compromising structural integrity. Though the initial cost is higher than asphalt shingles, the low maintenance and longevity make metal roofing one of the most cost-effective solutions over time. Clay and concrete tiles. Timeless appeal and longevity for homeowners seeking elegance and lasting protection. Clay or concrete tiles are an excellent option. These materials are known for their beauty, durability, and energy efficiency. Clay tiles can last up to 100 years, while concrete tiles typically endure 50 years or more. In Clinton Township, tile roofs are less common due to their weight, which requires a strong structural foundation. However, for homes that can support them, these tiles offer exceptional resistance to harsh weather and UV exposure. Their natural thermal properties help regulate indoor temperatures, keeping homes cooler in summer and warmer in winter. Regular cleaning and occasional replacement of broken tiles are typically all that's needed for maintenance. Slate roofing. The ultimate in durability, slate roofing is often considered the gold standard for longevity and natural beauty. A properly installed slate roof can last over a century, sometimes even two. It's naturally fire-resistant, waterproof, and capable of withstanding extreme temperature changes. In Clinton Township, slate roofs provide excellent insulation against Michigan's cold winters. Although the upfront cost and installation requirements are significant, homeowners who choose slate often see it as a once-in-a-lifetime investment. Its timeless appearance and superior resilience make it ideal for historic or high-value homes. Synthetic roofing. Modern performance and versatility. For homeowners who want the look of premium materials without the high cost, synthetic roofing options, such as polymer, rubber, or composite shingles, are becoming increasingly popular. These materials can mimic the appearance of wood shakes, slate, or tile while offering enhanced resistance to impact, UV rays, and temperature fluctuations. Synthetic roofing is lightweight, making it suitable for most homes in Clinton Township without additional structural support. Its long lifespan, 30 to 50 years, and low maintenance needs make it a practical solution for modern homeowners who want a balance of style, strength, and sustainability. Choosing the right material for your home. When planning a roof repair or replacement in Clinton Township, consider key factors such as budget, aesthetic preferences, local weather conditions, and the structure of your home. Working with a trusted local roofing contractor can help you assess your options and ensure a professional installation that maximizes your roof's lifespan. From classic asphalt shingles to cutting-edge synthetic materials, today's roofing options provide homeowners with the perfect blend of durability, energy efficiency, and style. Investing in the right material not only protects your home but also enhances its curb appeal and long-term value, making your roof repair in Clinton Township a decision that pays off for decades.